Here's the Suydanbox case for the iPhone 15. Inside the box you will get the case, a few cleaning supplies and also 2 screen protectors. The first impression that I have after having the case inside my hand is the soft touch and also the build quality, and I can see also the ring for the Magsafe. Here are the cleaning supplies for the front screen in order to install the new screen protectors. Here's my old case for my iPhone 15. It doesn't have Magsafe and also it is a cheap plastic filling that I have whenever I take my phone. The installation of the case is very easy. You simply need to push the device inside the case and that's it. The iPhone 15 has a new home. The case is made out of silicone. It feels good to the touch and also it is anti-scratch. It doesn't get scratched easily. Here's a closer look at the iPhone 15 inside this case. Using Magsafe with the iPhone 15 is something that I do every day. So this case having Magsafe is going to be really good. Also the magnet on the back of this case are really strong. You can see it for yourself. For the installation of the screen protector, you need to use the number 1 cleaning pad first. The number 1 is the wet wipe. After that, you can use number 2 to clean any excess liquid on the screen. Next, you need to remove the dust on the screen, if any, using the dust remover. Take 1 screen protector, remove the plastic film on the front. After that, you just need to align the screen protector with the screen of your iPhone 15. And after everything has been aligned properly, you simply let go of the screen and make sure that the screen protector is aligned to the sides of the device and also top and bottom. In my case, I did have 1 bubble at the lower right of the device. After pressing on it, it just disappeared. After installation of the screen protector, if you are not satisfied with what you got, you can use the second screen protector. You have 2 that you can use. Don't forget you have Magsafe on this case.